It seems that there's not a day that goes by that most people don't use Google. Almost any problem, issue, or concern that we have, we go straight to Google in order to find the solution. But did you know that you can also use Google to earn big money online? Yes, you did hear that right. There's a website that you can use that will pay you to just search on Google. You can use this website using your phone, your computer, or a laptop, and you can do this from literally anywhere in the world. You can do it while laying in bed, you can do it at your local coffee shop, you can do it at the park, or you could literally do it while waiting in line. You can do this literally anywhere you like, as long as you are able to connect to the internet. If you stick around and watch this video all the way up to the end, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this so you can start earning some money immediately. But before we get into today's video, welcome to Cashflow Worldwide, where we show you fresh new ways on how to make money online. Please click subscribe and the like button if you haven't already. Also, make sure that you click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a brand new video teaching you how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below. Okay, let's get back to it. Like I mentioned, I will be explaining everything step by step in detail so you know exactly what to do. Also, please be sure that you watch to the very end so you can apply this information and actually be able to start earning some money. If you don't follow every step of this video, it's not going to work and you won't be able to make any money. So please be sure that you watch this whole video. Also, this video tutorial is going to be very simple and straightforward since we're only going to be using 2 websites. The first one we are going to use is just google.com. The second website we will go over is the main website for this video, and it's called mindsumo.com. But make sure that you actually watch this video to learn how to use it, because if you just go straight to mindsumo.com, it will confuse you and you won't know what to do with it or how to use it. So I'm going to show you this small Google trick that will allow you to get paid a lot of money using mindsumo.com. I'm going to explain how you can combine these 2 websites and make money simply by searching on Google. This process will be explained and I'll go over every step in order to show you how you can make money. So, if we head over to mindsumo.com and scroll down a bit, you will see that all of these major companies are partnered with mindsumo.com. This shows that this is a legit company and that you are safe when using this site. It also ensures that this strategy is worth it and will allow you to make money online. You can see that they've partnered with Pepsi, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, Johnson & Johnson, Delta, Spotify, IBM, Amazon, Disney, and many more. Clearly, you can see that MindSumo is partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world. This is a very good opportunity to potentially make a lot of money here. The first thing you need to do is sign up and create an account on mindsumo.com. In order to do that, you want to click up here on the top right corner that says login/sign up. Once you've clicked that, all you want to do is enter your first name, your last name, your location or country, your email, and a password. Then, you'll want to put your birthday, select your gender, and then choose your level of creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. This is totally optional, but I would recommend that you select average proficiency because this will grant you more opportunities to potentially make more money. And then, for these first 3 boxes down below, you don't have to check them because checking these will add you to their newsletter, where you will receive promotional emails from MindSumo, and that's not what you want. But you will have to select the 2 boxes right here in order to accept the terms and conditions as well as their privacy policy. You can read both their terms and conditions and privacy policy by clicking their links. Once you've done that, you can click I'm not a robot and then click on the bottom that says sign up. This will complete your information, and now you have an account with mindsumo.com. So after you've created your account, you can then scroll down on your main homepage and browse through all these different challenges that they offer. What's included are different questions and projects that you can answer and fill out, where you can then get paid for doing so. And you can see that people are getting paid a couple $100 and even upwards of over $1,000. And then if you look here on the left-hand side, you will see different categories that you can filter by for the various challenges by skill. You can clearly see that there is a lot of room for opportunity to make a lot of money on this website. MindSumo uploads brand new questions, challenges, and projects on a daily basis for their users. If you're learning a lot from this video and have enjoyed it so far, please click on the subscribe button and be sure to like the video. Also, remember to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a video about a brand new way to make money online. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, I want to show you a few different projects. As an example, if I click and open this one right here, you'll be able to see how many people have been able to earn this much money through this challenge alone. Here you can see the total budget as well as the results for this project. There are times where it'll be much more than that, so make sure you stick around so I can show you this simple Google trick to show you exactly how you can make money by simply searching on Google. So let's go back over here and select one of these categories. For this example, I'll click on business. Once you've done that, you can choose any one of these projects you want. Right here, it'll show you the question that they'll ask you. This is the main question you will be asked, and when you answer it, you will be given this amount of money. So now, let me show you what that Google trick is. So what you're going to need to do is just copy and paste this question right here, then head over to Google and paste the question in the search box and click enter. The reason we want to do this is because we want to find an answer to this question on Google. You can browse through as many of these articles as you like with the goal of trying to find the answer to this question. So, if we click on this article right here, we'll see that this is exactly what we're looking for. This answer seems to be well written and well researched, making it a legitimate answer to the question. That's how easy it is. All you have to do is copy the question and paste it into Google, and you will be presented with the best articles to answer that question for you. Now what you need to do next is edit the answer to make it into your own words. So, in order to do that, you will want to access Google Docs by searching it in Google. So once you access Google Docs, you'll click on blank right here. Then you will head on over to the article that you clicked on and copy and paste the information that answers your question onto your Google Doc. The more in-depth and lengthy your answer is, the better it is for you to have a stronger chance of actually making money. You want your answer to be as profound as possible because MindSumo is looking for high-quality answers. So once you've copied and pasted the information from the article onto your Google Doc, you can customize it as much as you want to make it be in your own words. You can also edit it by changing the font and the colors if you like. For example, I could select the headline here and click on the font right here and maybe select this one instead. So you can see clearly that this is completely customizable, allowing you to create your very own version of this answer. After you are finished, scroll up to where it says File, click on it, and then scroll down to download it as a PDF document. After you've downloaded and opened your new PDF document, it will look something like this. By doing it in this way, it will result in a much more professional look. Next thing you're going to want to do after you've downloaded this PDF to your computer is you will want to head over back to mindsumo.com to submit the PDF document. After you've submitted your PDF document, you will most likely be in a share of the money from this question. Now I want to mention that you will not be able to win all of the money that's listed. That money is going to be shared with other participants, but it's clearly worth it because as I just showed you, this process takes less than 5 minutes. Now we have the opportunity to be able to win hundreds of dollars completely for free while doing very little work. So to break it down again, all you need to do is head over to Google, search for the answer that they're looking for, click on an article that has the answer, and copy and paste the information onto a Google document, and then customize that information in your own words, and then download that as a PDF document. Then you will want to click on I have an idea, and then log into your account so you can submit your answer. And that's it. It's just that easy. All you need to do is just search on Google. This is a great chance to potentially be able to make a lot of money online. Of course, there is no promise or guarantee that you'll actually be able to win the challenge every time and get your share of the prize, but it will only take you just a few minutes to search Google and complete this process. Like I mentioned before, you can do this literally anywhere in the world at any time of day. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel to learn more ways to make money online. Also, be sure to click the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video. If you want to learn about another money-making strategy, be sure to click on this video right here.